Volá mi Suneo. Zvednu to. Ahoj Suneo.
Hey Bertold, how are you?
Já jsem v pořádku a ty?
I'm fine too. What I wanted to say is that I invited Mitchell, Johnny, and John to my sleepover here at home, and they said yes, and now they're already here. I just wanted to ask if you want to go to the sleepover. We can do whatever we want. Do you want to go?
Jasně Suneo, připravím se k tobě domů.
Good. Now do it right now and go to my house. Do you know which house you're going to?
Vím o tvém domě Suneo.
Good. See you later.
Bože můj, Suneo mě právě pozval na svou pyžamovou party, ale mám domácí vězení, protože jsem požádal Livii o ruku ve škole. Víš co? Připravím se zbalit si kufry na Suneovo přespávání a pak to řeknu tátovi. To je vše, teď to řeknu tátovi. Hej tati.
Bertolde, co to děláš? Měl bys dostat domácí vězení, vrať se do svého pokoje.
Chtěl jsem říct, že mě Suneo právě pozval na svou přespávací party, můžu jít?
Ne, Bertolde, měl bys dostat domácí vězení kvůli tomu, co jsi udělal ve škole.
No tak.
Za prvé, pořád máš domácí vězení, a za druhé, nemůžeš jít na tu přespávací party, tak se vrať do svého pokoje.
Táta je tak hloupý, že mě nepustí na Suneův přespávací večírek. No, co mám dělat? Právě jsem dostal nápad, blížím se na pyžamovou party u Sunea doma, přesně to udělám. Nejdřív vypnu zvuk na telefonu. Je to hotové. Už jsem to vypnul, protože zvuk nebudu potřebovat. Když budu ten zvuk používat dál, budu mít problém. Teď vylezu z okna. Dorazil jsem k jeho domu, teď zazvoním u dveří.
Oh, hey Bertold, you finally arrived.
Mám tady všechno v batohu.
Good, I'm glad you brought everything in your backpack.
A jsou tam?
Sure, come in.
Hello, Bertold.
Ahoj Mitchell.
Hello, my best friend from 4th grade.
Ahoj můj nejlepší kamaráde ze 7. třídy.
Hello my friend, how are you?
Jsem v pořádku, Johnny, děkuji. Kde jsou postele?
They're in the living room. There are 4, let's go.
Páni.
You should put your bed on the living room floor.
Aha, dobře. Je to hotové.
Okay, so what are we going to do?
We can go outside to play dodgeball.
Good idea, John. Does anyone have more balls? I have 15 balls. Wow. You have so many balls, but good Johnny. You'll be on Mitchell and Johnny's team, you're red, and I'll be with Bertold, we're blue.
Moc ti děkuji, Suneo, jsi náš vůdce.
Thank you, and you're welcome. Now let's go outside.
Jane, můžeš mi vysvětlit pravidla?
With pleasure, Bertold. The rules of the game are: first, the game is played between 2 teams on a field divided in half. Second, each team stays on its side of the field at the start of the game. Third, the objective is to eliminate all the players of the opposing team. Fourth, a player is eliminated when a ball hits their body before touching the ground. Fifth, if a player catches a ball in the air that was thrown by an opponent, the player who threw the ball is eliminated. Sixth, when a player is eliminated, they leave the field or go to the elimination zone, depending on the variation of the game. Seventh, players can deflect, block, or catch the balls, but they cannot cross the center line of the field. Eighth, the game ends when all players on one team are eliminated. And ninth, the team that still has players on the field wins the match.
Can we start now?
We can now. Ow 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 ow. Man, I got eliminated.
Johnny Test was eliminated by Sunny O.
Dobrá práce, Suneo. Jsi schopný. Už si skončil, Mitchell.
I wish I could win next time.
Bertold, it's your turn again to hit John that hard.
What? No 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 no, don't do that.
Příliš pozdě.
No.
We did it.
Takže je teprve první kolo.
Exactly. Well, what are we going to do, Suneo? We could go to YouTube and watch The Amazing of Digital Circus, Episode 1 on TV, which we've never seen.
Good idea, let's go back inside.
Venku je velká zima.
I'll go on YouTube. Now I'll search. This first episode showed up in the searches, now let's watch it. I only know Pomni, Jax, Kane, and Bubble.
Oh, Johnny, stop with the spoilers.
Sorry, I was just saying I know those 4 characters I saw in the pictures on Meta's threads on my phone. Whatever, let's watch now.
Welcome to the Amazing Digital Circus! My name is Kane. I'm your ringmaster, and I'm here to show you the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, mind-bending paraphernalia you've ever laid your eyes upon! Isn't that right, Bubble?
That's right, Kane. I can't wait to see what you've got cooking up for today.
Well, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into the show!
Bertolde, už spíš? Bože můj, Bertold zmizel. Jak se dostal ze svého pokoje? Počkej na ten druhý. Neříkej mi, že se vplížil do Suneova přespávacího pokoje. Ten můj problémový český kluk uvidí, co se stane, zatímco mu budu volat. Neodpovídej mi, on to uvidí. Místo toho, abych šel vyzvednout Bertolda, zavolám policii, aby pro něj přijela.
Ha 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 ha.
I love this series. What do you think, Bertold?
Myslím, že je to cool a vtipnější. Tak co vy?
Me too.
Me too.
Me too.
Me too.
I need to drink water because I'm almost losing my voice.
Go ahead, John, and I've already paused.
Thanks, Suni. Oh,
You're welcome.
This is Agent Jenny. Open the door right now. I've come to get Bertold. He was supposed to stay home grounded.
Je tady, jde si pro mě.
Don't worry, Bertold. I already know what I'm going to do.
Hey! How dare someone close windows? I'm going to break down the door right now.
Uh-oh, speaking of which, Agent Jenny is going to break down the door.
Ouch! My leg, that hurt a lot.
what's going on?
John, we have a problem.
What, there was a problem? Tell me, Suni. Oh,
Agent Jenny is at the door because he's going to get Bertold, and Johnny had an idea to close the windows, but now the windows are closed.
can we continue?
We can, and it's better to forget about it.
Oh, really? How about Super Takedown? Sounds like a good idea. I'll start Super Takedown now.
Wow, this series is spectacular. We have to watch episodes 4, 5, 6 and 7 one of these days.
Wait, did you just said 6, 7?
What?
Aha, here you are.
You've already been caught, Bertold.
Hey, you broke the door. I'm going to tell my mom what you did. You're going to pay for breaking the door.
Shut up, Mitchell and Sunio. And as for you, Bertold, you're under arrest for sneaking into Sunio's house. You'll see while I take you home, tiny now.
Cože? To snad ne.
Otherwise, I'll tell all the police officers.
Dobře, cokoliv.
What did you say? You shouldn't talk back to the police like that.
Řekl jsem, dobře, vyhrál si.
Hey, Bertold, can we arrange a day to go to my sleepover at my house? I'll invite you Johnny Test, John, and Sunio.
Zní to jako dobrý nápad, Mitchell. Ale dnes večer tu nebudu spát, chytila mě policie.
Okay.
Už jsem všechno uklidil, agentko Jenny.
Good. Come with me right now. I'll take you home. You're in big trouble.
Take care, my friend.
See you at school, Bertold.
Moc vám děkuji, že jste sem přivedli mého syna.
You're welcome, Bertold's father. Goodbye.
Bertolde, jak se opovažuješ vplížit se na Suneovu pyžamovou párty? Pořád máš trest? Přesně tak, jdi do svého pokoje, máš trest 6 týdnů.